Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I thought I'd start this video a little bit early. We're setting off for London's Brighton Mini Run tomorrow, but I'm already down in the south of England. Managed to get myself down here a few evenings ago. But yeah, I'm really buzzing. Like, you can tell behind me the weather's beautiful. Even got the old sunny shades on, and I wish I packed some shorts. The weather doesn't look great for tomorrow still, but right now it's phenomenal. So yeah, 250 miles roughly, give or take, for me. Sidewalk's done very well, so really looking forward to it. We're starting at a different place for London's Brighton this year. We're starting at Chem Recreational Ground, so it'll be interesting. It's all good, nice and fresh. But yeah, she's done well. So here she is, beautiful in the sun. I absolutely adore it. So yeah, I know this car's Marmite. It doesn't do particularly well on the channel. Like, it does well, but not well. I don't know why. It's a bit Marmite or disheartened, but I love it. Just think the contrast, the fact it's 1 up on 1,000, I just love it. Okay, mine's not original, but I could change it back if I wanted to, but I just love this car. So it's just everything, like that colour in the sun. So I'm actually hoping next year, I keep saying I've got so many projects on, I'd like to respray this car next year. I know from camera it looks absolutely spot on, but so many bits I'm just not happy with on it. And yeah, so between us guys, this car like means the world to me. And I've had a bit of a bad week, I'm not gonna lie. So with all sorts of bits and bobs going on, and I've just gone and enjoyed some of my favourite roads. Just me in the car. Mrs Simpson stayed at home for London's Brighton. She's got work to do, and it's just been me in the car again, and that's what it always was. And I don't know, there's just something about it. It's not fast, it doesn't handle amazingly, it just holds the road, and it's just so exciting to drive. I don't know what it is about the car, it just makes me grin. Just looking down that lovely colour down the bonnet and stuff like that. So it's really cheered me up, this car. So I'm really looking forward to seeing some friends tomorrow and doing the London's Brighton Mini Run. This will be the 3rd or 4th run this car's done. So yeah, quite excited. So she's looking good. So I'll give her a once over under the bonnet just once she's cooled down, but she's a bit warm. And yeah, really enjoying it. The RC40 is definitely made a difference. It's so much less droney on the motorway. And yeah, really excited. While I've got you all here, there's a discount code along the bottom of the screen for Minimine, so you get 10% off your next purchase when you spend £15 or more on their eBay shop. So go check them out, link in the description below. Top people, we will see them tomorrow. I actually do need a handful of bits. So yeah, still at the bow-in from the wedding. And while I'm plugging things, here's my stickers. Link in the description below for these as well. They're on my eBay shop, so yeah, go check these out guys. All the proceeds go to doing all this and supporting the channel. So this is kind of my travel window, and we're getting there now. So yeah, really excited for tomorrow. Morning guys. So it's London's Brighton Day, and I'm knackered. I've done a lot of driving the last few days, but yeah, it's been good. So Pete has been absolutely smashing away on the Clubman, and then we got together and sorted the last few bits out yesterday. Mini just going past over there, just see it, sports pack, TC blue. And we're now at a little meeting point, so I'm going to meet Pete, his dad, and I think one other Mini maybe, and then we're going to convoy up to the start point. Feels like a long time coming since we can do a London's Brighton, so I'm a little bit early. Violet's still wearing her motorway slick, just covered in bugs. So it's meant to rain any minute now, unfortunately. So I'm not going to get mad washing it, no point. And it's got another 250 odd miles to go back home as well as doing the run, stuff like that. So it's absolutely no point in my eyes. It's not going to win any awards, so we'll get on with it. So yeah, I'll check in a bit. I'll try and capture the Budget Clubman pulling in for the first time, and we'll get back on the road. Really looking forward to it, guys. So we're doing the run a little bit different this time. We've not joined the conventional run, but we've joined a bit further down. I'm going to try something a bit different filming wise, so I can kind of get on the corners when all the cars are driving around, because I never really get much footage of it. So trying to something a little bit different. So we're not cheating, we're obviously still doing a run, but we're just joining in, so I can actually see all the so we're obviously still doing the London Brighton Mini Run as we would normally, but we're going to try and get some good shots and footage. So. Check-in, guys. We are near Crawley. We're doing the traditional A23 route. It's so much more fun than just flying down the motorway. I've done it a few times just going down the motorway, but this is way more fun. The nicer roads for a Mini. Everything's going good. Amber's running well, Violet's running well, Cooper behind's going good. Yeah, I'm just buzzing to be doing this run again. It is good fun. It's such a laugh, all the horns and people coming out. So yeah, catch you bright soon. It's happened. It's raining. So we're now heading to Brighton, stopped Peace Cottage halfway, but the rain's happened, so wipe the time. Whoa, fast lane action. I love this head mount, it's so good. Right guys, so there's the beach. We're nearly there. So buzzing. I think it's like my 10th London to Brighton I think I've done. I think I've done more than that now. So really happy. The old girl's done well again. And yeah, I can't fault her. She's now got a 250-mile drive home again, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all part of the fun, I guess. So unfortunately it's rained. It's still a bit damp, you can kind of see. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, we'll get parked up and let's see the show. And it's drying up now, so it's all good. Hi guys, so we made it. Budget Clubman, all safe and sound, looking beautiful with Violet. So yeah, it's raining, but it's all good. We made it to Brighton. We managed to rag our way onto 16 valve mini stand because there's not many minis here. So we're right near the pier and everything like that. So it's all good. But yeah, I'm so happy with this car. I'm so happy that Pete's happy with it as well, and it's running lovely. So it's got 12.5 in it, like I mentioned. And it's yeah, it's beautiful. So let's get stuck into the show now. Right guys, I think that brings London's Brighton to an end for us. So I have a 250-mile drive home, so I'm going to crack on and get on with that. I am absolutely buzzing. Everyone's come to see the Budget Clubman, honestly. I'm so happy with it. So it's gutted it's not mine, but I'm also so happy that I get to be a part of its kind of life still. Yeah, it's phenomenal. I do really love it. So yeah, hope everyone got home safe. There's been no dramas that I've heard of this year, which is all good. And yeah, I'm going to go and crack on and get myself home. I'll get this uploaded as soon as I possibly can, and I hope you all had a good weekend. So like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one, guys.